Hey, what's up? I'm Jason Veganicus. Welcome to my unboxing from Arm the Animals. Finally came in, so stoked to check this out. First off, check out my hoodie I got from Vegan Voicers. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Awesome, badass, really makes a bold statement. Anyway, check out this unboxing. I got a whole bunch of stuff here from Arm the Animals. First up, I'll let you guys see it before I see it. That's pretty cool. Rabbit on a tank. Well, this is why we ordered, because they have, I guess this goes to the relief for some of the wildfires that were going down in California. Same design here with the white and the brownish, just like the logo of the company. Sniper cat. Let's see if my cat Feral could get a gun and shoot it when she eats. I think she would. And here's another one, same design. Same design. That's pretty badass. I like that. It's like a Star Wars themed cat. Okay, I've got a t-shirt like this, so with winter coming, it'd be nice to have a hoodie, sort of a conversation starter, if you will. Another hoodie with a cat throwing a hand grenade. Again, don't let my cat Feral have any hand grenades, please. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching my unboxing. Go vegan and support vegan businesses. Arm the Animals, Vegan Voicers, vegan as heck. Do it. Go. Attention Walmart shoppers. Attention Walmart shoppers. Please go vegan. Go vegan right away. Thank you very much. Save the animals.